In this session, we are going to review how to sort folders and documents within the Intellivue GX client software. As you know, when you click on the search button here and you get a results list, folders are typically displayed in the order in which they were added to the system, with the first folder on top and then appended as the documents and folders get added to the software. I can sort this results order by, first of all, clicking on a column label, for example, last name. If I click on that, that will sort the results list in alphabetic order by that column. So, for example, I clicked on last name, and it sorted it alphabetically by last name. If I want it by first name, again, I just click on it, and it sorts it alphabetically by first name. If I go back over here to last name and click on it, and if I click again, it does it reverse order. Click it one more time, and it puts it again in alphabetical order. If this is the way I want my results list to be displayed each time I go into my Human Resources application, as a reminder, this is application specific, I would just right-click on here and do a Save Last Sort. And when I do that, that becomes my default sort order when I do a search. So if I click on my search button, by default, each time I come back in and search within my Human Resources application, it will be in last name order. If I want to change that, I can again click on another column, right click, and save that as a last sort. Or I can remove the last sort, and it removes that order, so it displays it once again in the order in which the folders were added to the system. The next way, or second way, that I can sort the results list is click on View, Options, click on my Results tab, which is the results list here, and I can select the order over here on the right by ascending or descending nature. So for example, I want my results list to always be sorted by last name, then by first name, and then by location. And if I click OK, it applies that sort. So now, each time I do a search, it displays the results in the order that I specified. If I want to change that order, I come back over here to View Options, click on my Results tab, and I can correct the order. Or if I don't want it anymore, I can hit Clear, and it will remove that sort order, so I'm back to the system default. Now that is how we search folders within the Intellivue client software. Let's look at how we can sort the documents within the software. If I click on a particular user, for example, Paulette, you see it takes me over into the folder viewer, and I have, in this case, I have subfolders, and within those subfolders, I have documents. And as you know, the documents in these folders or subfolders are stored in the order in which they were indexed into the system. So the top one being the first document indexed, and then other documents appended to the system. And for those of you that work with virtual files, know that Intellivue by default sorts indexed TIFF documents, and then it does the virtual files or native documents in order of how they were added to the system after that. If you want the documents order changed and you want to have them with the most recent or most current document always on top, you can come up here, select your folder, come up here at the top and say Sort. In the drop-down list, you can select Create Time. So we're going to sort by this Create Time, and we will do descending. And when I hit Apply, the green button here, you can see that displays my documents in descending order with the document types intermingled with the most recent document on top. And documents get older as they go down the list. So for those of you who always want the most recent document on top, that is how you do it. You click on Sort, you click on Create Time, and you select Descending. This is a per user setting. It is a user preference. Once you've got the order set the way that you want, you can click on this drop down arrow here and say Save, And then that will save that setting so that each time you come back into the Intellivue software and you do your searches, it will sort those folders or those documents in the order that you specified. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.